Hey guys, today I want to unbox this ORICO Mousepad. Believe it or not, my unboxing desk is maybe too small for this, but let's see how far we can get, how nicely we can unbox this. Fabric, natural rubber mouse pad. Okay, natural rubber. It must be made of rubber trees or something. I don't know about unnatural rubber, but yeah, let's unbox this. We have load shedding every day for the past week, so I can't put on big lights at the moment, but yeah, you'll be able to see quite nicely. Yes, like this is a heavy piece of mouse pad. Okay, it's got a very sticky rubber at the back. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, as I said, I don't think I'm gonna have enough space for this. This is an extremely wide, oh, it's the wrong way around. Let's check it like that. There you go. Now you can see how it looks. Feels very nice, and it's very good quality. The print on this it's good quality printing, or yeah, the stitching and everything on this looks very good. So yeah, if you wanted to see how this thing looks and how big it is, this is it. Let me see, I can show you like from that side to that side. It's a pretty big mouse pad. You can put your keyboard, this is just an example, it will be easy to put it on there. Maybe your cup of tea, a mouse, you'll have enough space to move that mouse around. Just if you have a look at this, the keyboard can fit, a very large keyboard can fit on here, and then you'll have like 300 by 300 maybe to move the mouse still. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.